Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you add thumbnail in your Facebook page video. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For adding thumbnail in your Facebook page video, you have to open your Google Chrome. You can see here my Google Chrome. You have to go in your Google Chrome. After come here in your Google Chrome, you have to search BUSIN Business Meta Suite. You can see here Business Meta Suite. You have to click here and go. Then you can see here Facebook Business Manager. You have to simply click on it. Then you can see here this kind of interface. You have to simply click here log in with Facebook. You have to simply click on it. After clicking on that, you have to simply provide your phone number and password. Simply I am providing my phone number and password. After that, you have to simply click here login. Then you can see here your Facebook profile arrive here. Then if you want to upload on this page which arrived earlier, you can upload, and then you have to click here three dot line. You can see here three dot line, and then you have to tick here desktop side. You can see here desktop side. You can see this kind of interface. Then you have to simply click on here. You can see here option, top down option. You have to simply click on it, and then you can see here your all page which you open through this page or through this profile. You have to simply, I want to upload video on this page. Simply I am clicking on it. Then you can see here my this page arrive. Then you can see here option create post. You can see here option create post. You have to simply click on it, create post. You can see after clicking create post, you can see here this kind of interface. Here simply you have to click here add video. You can see here option add video. You have to simply click here add video. You can see here option upload from desktop. You have to simply click here, and then you can see here your video and which you want to upload. You have to simply select from here. Simply I want to upload this one. You can see here this one I want to upload. Then you have to click here, and then you have to click done. After clicking done, you have to paste here your description. Then you can see here option called upload image. You can see here option upload image. You have to click here upload image. You can see here your suggested thumbnail, but I want to upload an image. Then you have to click here upload image. You can see here I want to upload this image as a thumbnail. You have to simply click on it, and then you have to click done. And after clicking done, you can see here your thumbnail have been added. Then you have to scroll down, and then you can see here option next. You have to simply click on next, and then you have to wait here for some time for checking your video. If your video alright, then it will be successful and show right, and then you have to click here share, and then you have to click here share. After clicking share, you can see here your video have been done, upload done. So that's how you can upload a video with thumbnail in Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comments, and also I provide my Facebook link in the description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.